Hey guys, how's it going? I just wanted to share with you some of our Bootstrap Farmer 6-cell punnets, and they're air pruning punnets where the roots, they don't get root bound because of these little slits in them. The best option is to have them on a grate rather than in a tray, and then the hole at the bottom becomes air pruning as well, that as the roots come out it gets to the air and the roots stop progressing and it stops the roots going round and round and round. So I'm going to pop these, one of these are Asian Lauki gourds that we've grown here, and let's see what the roots look like. And then I'll show you how to fill these trays up. How's that? Ready for transplant. That's looking really good. No root bound roots at all. They've hit the edges, they've searched for the air, they've got to the air, and then they've stopped and they've just filled out that block, and they'll continue to fill out further up as well, giving you good, strong, healthy roots ready to go in the garden. So we're going to show you how to fill these 6-cell air pruning punnets from Bootstrap Farmer. We're going to do them on a Bootstrap Farmer tray because they're nice and rigid, as opposed to often your cheap flimsy stuff. It doesn't last very long and it does tend to break. But these 10-20 trays from Bootstrap Farmer, they're modular, that they fit perfectly 12 of these punnets. Just beautifully, no wasted space, look at that. And you can carry them one hand even when that's full of dirt. Alright, let's fill these up. We're going to be using compost, so I'm going to mask up. Sorry, not a compost, a potting mix. We're going to get a good potting mix, spread that in so when the roots reach down, they'll have something good and nutritious to put the roots into. Now once we've done this, and then top them up with some seed raising mix. I'm going to fish out anything that's too big, and I'm going to get one of these, and I'm going to push down a little bit into the rest of them. Right, just like that. Shimmy off the rest. Now for some seed raising mix. Give something nice and easy for the seeds to go into. If you're transplanting little shoots that you've already sprouted, you wouldn't have to worry about this step. But we're putting seeds into these, so we're going to put a little bit of seed raising just on top. Something nice and sterile, something nice and fine for getting those seeds going. And there we go. We'll clean that tray up, but there we go. 72 cells ready to go for seeds. All in your Bootstrap Farmer tray. Bootstrap Farmer 6-cell punnets. Beautiful.